Our water pollution control plant's right here, our wastewater treatment facility.
Right.
So essentially, you flush the toilet, it goes through a network of sewer systems that all basically go to here. This is where it processes and it treats it before putting it back into the river, which is better quality than when you first got water out of the river.
Right, sure.
So it's because it's down here, it basically all flows through. So as you can see, it's right next to the river. So this would, we're going to build a berm system around here, raise this road, and provide access. In total, that's a $20 million-ish project. We actually have a grant that we got from the federal government. It's about, I'm going to round it to $10 million. We've also gotten money from the state at about $4 million. Yeah, sorry, this is where I talk too fast.
Okay, so the 10 million's the feds.
Yep, Fed portion.
And then
$4 million from the state.
4 mil from Iowa.
Yep.
Okay.
And then we have and then the city has to provide a match for those things, as local match is what it's called. And we're at about 2.5 million. And so we're gonna start the process of, first, obviously before we build it, we have to engineer it. And so about a month, 2 months ago, the city council approved the engineering contract for that. So right now we're in the early phases of engineering, of designing that system.
And that's a berm system.
Yep,
to
that's
protect water pollution control.
Yep.
Yep. And then did you mention also drinking water?
No, that's already been completed. That was completed years ago.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, all right.
No, you're fine.
Anything else with flood?
Flood, let's see. Fingers crossed on this one. So in the past almost 2.5 years, we've worked with FEMA on flood mitigation for Union Station. Union Station is down on our riverfront. It was flooded out in 2019. And so we have a project there, basically a berm system to mitigate potential flooding in that particular project. Right now it's at its final stages with FEMA. So fingers crossed here, I anticipate that we will get a grant for that particular project. If that's the case, we already have engineering work designed. So if that grant is approved, we would move forward with construction this year. If it's approved, and if it's approved within our construction window, right? We can't be building anything in the next winter if it takes a while. But
sure.
so that particular project's out there as well.